In this question, we need to be comfortable with the exponential equation and one step further, the every x application of that. So for an exponential, it's starting at some value, it's changing by some number, and that happens x times. But the two ways you might see that change is you might be starting at some number and then changing every 2 years, and it would look like that. So that's the idea of it happening every 2. Or if it were looking like this, it would be happening, if this is every 2 years, this would be 2 times per year. And you just want to be really comfortable on the SAT applying the exponential equation with that little twist to it. In our situation, we know that this thing is starting at 275,000. It's doubling and it's happening every 2 years. So to start this off, the equation looks like that. Then we're wondering, how many times does this need to happen for it to reach 1.1 million? So let's set that equal to 1.1 million. And now we've got some interesting math to do, maybe even some logarithms. So let's divide both sides by 275,000. And 1.1 million divided by 275,000 is 4. So 2 to the x over 2 equals 4. Now we can take that 4 and make it 2 squared. We have 2 to the x over 2 equals 2 squared. So here we can get bailed out by the fact that the bases are both 2 and the expressions are equal. So the exponents must be equal as well. So x over 2 must equal 2. And when you multiply by 2, you'll get x is 4. So we're going to end up going 4 years past 1985, which is 1989. And that's going to end up being our answer. But if we didn't realize that we could sort of use the same base in that situation, and we were right here, 2 to the x over 2 equals 4, we could use logs. This is equivalent to log base 2 of 4 equals x over 2. Now we can multiply by 2. X is 2 log base 2 of 4. And putting that in your calculator, you will get 4. Now, a quick word about how we changed from here to here. To go from exponential to log form, there's a saying. The base stays the same and the other two switch. So if you have a to the b equals c, if the base stays the same, the base in terms of this exponent is a, but the base in the language of logarithms is also a. So the base stayed the same, but the other two switched. And that's the way that you can go back and forth between log and exponential form. Either way, we get 4 years after the starting year 1985, takes us to 1989, and the answer is B here.